not sure if the footage will be visibly different, but I'm using a GoPro Hero 9. Thank you, Bing. This is Bing's birthday present to me. She bought me a GoPro Hero 9, so this is my first time using it. What I like now is that there is a front screen, so I can sort of know the framing. And no, I was driving all the way to Setia Alam to meet up with Pro Nano, talking about our Evo Club car wash thingy. Yes, Evo Club extended warranty to help those who warranty ended and but couldn't sell their cars yet, and they're worried about their cars. We have Evo Club warranty, extended warranty, and then we have Evo Club insurance, which is to help those in times like this. You want to pay your insurance in a staggered manner based on your drive, then only you slowly pay instead of one lump sum. Evo Club insurance is doing that to help people. And then Evo Club car wash, which is to help you all expand into additional businesses. Very low starting costs. So I'm gonna have a finalized discussion with them, and picked up a Red Bull. I know, it's sweet, it's unhealthy, but when I feel sleepy, I'll get myself a can of these. I've always done that. Everybody is like, ew, it tastes like cough syrup. Maybe that's why I like it. I don't know, man. I like the taste. Weird. And I like the fact that, I mean, compared to the Austria one, which is okay. For those who don't know, this is the original Red Bull. The one in F1 doing all the crazy stunts. That is the Austrian Red Bull. Alright? So that one has a lot of gas. I might take it when I go to the pub or the bar, you know, Red Bull vodka or something. Anyway, when I bought this, I spotted something, because the person that I'm gonna meet later on, he loves a car. Alright? He loves a car that not many car guys car guys would know, but the extreme hardcore car guys would like. Normal car guys who ooh and ah on RS6 or on Ferraris, you know, Nissan GTRs, all this, they might not be, you know, they might not like it. So I spotted this and I got it and I bought it for him. This is some rare stuff, right? A Datsun 240Z. Yep, Japan's first sports car, in a way. Japan's first volume production sports car. Okay, 240Z. And it was just there. I was like, oh, but it's not cheap though. 36 ringgit. Bah. And one of my covers of my previous magazines, I put the 240Z there. Anyway, it's just a short clip just to test out the quality. If I have anything else to say, I'll just continue on. If I don't, I don't. Cheers. But in the spirit of this, just now I also stumbled upon something.
What?
Ta-da!
Oh, thank you. Walao.
I was
Holy
like,
shit.
I just went and buy Red Bull. And then, yeah. So your favorite, huh?
Oh my god. Thank you so much.
Hey, no problem.
This
No
is
problem.
your first small step to owning the real thing. Yes.
Hey, my colleague Tana did the same thing, you know.
Really?
He bought me the RS6 and gave it to me. And then,
You know everything you water, and next thing, whoop, become the real thing already. Wow, thank you so much.
yeah, the joy of giving things away.
Damn it.